Relevance of technology and science in tourism. Technology has helped tourism and hospitality industry replace expensive human labor with technological labor. This help reduce labor costs but also help avoid customer service issues. The impact of technology in tourism industry has helped a lot of people, and the development in e-commerce has made a good impact tourism and travel industry as customer can view and choose various travel options by surfing on the internet through their mobile phones. How technology changed the travel and tourism industry. Internet of Things. Technology has advanced so far that everything can be connected and accessed via internet. With millions of people traveling each day, IoT has greatly helped the travel and tourism industry. Online booking. Both travel hosts and guests have benefited from the expanding reach that comes from the advancement of technology. Hotels and tours can now accept customers from across the globe and even collect reservation and full payment from them. Geographic Information System. GIS stores and analyzes data in a particular area. It also creates a sort of map that people in different kinds of industries use. The most popular ways we see is through Google Maps and Waze. Wi-Fi access. Travelers are personalizing their trips, and the best way they can do that is to search online, which is what the coverage of the Wi-Fi is just getting bigger and wider. Data analytics. One way the travel and tourism industry adapt to change is by gathering and studying data, and analytics are a big part of the picture. It's telling them the behavior and patterns of travelers, and it can predict where the next big travel hub is.